Have you noticed your engine struggling at idle or perhaps a sudden increase in oil consumption? For many Audi and VW owners, these are the first signs that the crankcase ventilation system might be failing, and it is a problem that shouldn't be ignored. The PCV valve, or oil separator, is a critical component in the EA888 engine platform. It manages pressure within the crankcase, and when the internal diaphragm fails, it can lead to vacuum leaks and poor combustion efficiency. We are looking at this specific oil separator assembly, which is designed as a direct replacement for various Audi and Volkswagen models. At 41.23, it is a practical option for those looking to resolve common pressure issues without a massive repair bill. Before you buy, the most important step is checking your engine code. While this unit fits many models like the A4, Q5, or Golf GTI, manufacturers often change internal design slightly between production years. Don't just go by the look of the part. Always match the exact part number from your current assembly to the new one. Even a single letter difference in the suffix can mean the difference between a perfect seal and a persistent vacuum leak. While you are swapping out the separator, take a close look at your existing vacuum hoses. These rubber lines get brittle over time, and if they crack during the removal process, you will be right back where you started with a check engine light. Installation is generally straightforward for most DIYers, but ensure you clean the mating surface on the cylinder head before installing the new gasket. A clean surface is the best way to prevent future oil seepage. With over 240 units reported as active orders, many drivers are handling this repair themselves. It is a cost-effective way to maintain engine performance, provided you follow the correct torque specifications during reassembly. When ordering online, always verify that the seller includes the necessary gaskets. Receiving a part without the proper seals can turn a one-hour job into a frustrating wait for extra parts. The listed price is $41.23, but final cost can change with variant, tax, promotion, stock, and shipping. Confirm the current checkout details before ordering. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. To wrap things up, check your vehicle's specific requirements, verify the part numbers, and confirm the latest pricing. Taking these small steps now will ensure your repair goes smoothly. Check the details, compare your options, and get your engine running like it should.